So today we'll look into exercise 11.1. Problem statement is if cot A is equal to, if 3 times cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So I need to check whether the LHS part is equal to RHS part or not. With this, as the given problem statement is not in a trigonometric ratio because it is in the form of 3 times cot A is equal to 4. Now, we should make this in arrangement such a way that it should be in the form of trigonometric ratio so that it is easy for me to write the adjacent side and the opposite side, right? So I will consider this to be at acute angle A and B and C. Now if I consider at A, now what is the definition of cot A? So cot theta definition is nothing but adjacent divided by opposite side. So adjacent with respect to angle A is AC. So therefore AC becomes 4. Now opposite with respect to angle A is BC. So therefore this becomes 3. So I need to know about tan as well as cos and sin. These three values I required in order to check whether these three are equal or not. So let me find out the values of tan, cos and sin. So first of all, tan A. Tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A. No need to think much. Just I will reverse this answer. That is given value. So next is I need cos A. The definition of cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 4. What about hypotenuse? We don't know hypotenuse, right? So once again here try to apply Pythagoras theorem and try to find out this AB. So therefore that is AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. What is AC square? It is 4 square. Directly I will write it as 16. BC square is 3 square. Directly I will write it as 9. And therefore this becomes 25 and AB will be 5. So I just write AB equal to 5. So therefore cos A becomes 4 by 5, and similarly the sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. With respect to angle A, opposite side is BC, that is measuring 3, and hypotenuse is AB, that is measuring 5. Now let me take the LHS. LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now substitute the value of tan and square it. That's it. So 1 minus tan value is 3 by 4, but it is tan square A, so therefore this becomes whole square, divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, and this is equal to 1 minus 3 square is nothing but 9, divided by 4 square is nothing but 16, divided by 1 plus 9 divided by 16, and this comes to be around, I'll take a LCM, so that this is 16 minus 9 divided by 16, and in the denominator this becomes 16 plus 9 divided by 16, and 16 and 16 get cancels. What we left? We left with 16 minus 9. How much 16 minus? Yes, 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 9 is 25. So this is the LHS value. We need to check whether RHS value will also give me 7 by 25 or not. So once again, I'll take a fresh page. RHS is equal to, what is RHS here? Cos square A minus sin square A. Take this value, cos square A minus sin square A. Apply the value of cos and sin. What is cos A? Cos A is 4 by 5, sin is 3 by 5. Let me remember these two values. So this is 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. Correct, Aidon? 3 by 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 by 5. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 4 by 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 16, 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 in the divided by 25, 5 square is 25, again 9, 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 divided by 5 square which gives you 25. So here 25 is your LCM, so this comes to be around 16 minus 9 again. So 16 minus 9 gives me 7 divided by 25. Therefore LHS and RHS value are equal, hence what I should write here, these two are equal. The answer is yes, they are equal, right? So this was all about 11.1. If you have any doubt, please let me know.